Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your subscription or your subscription plan on Hulu. So let's get right into it. Hulu is a subscription-based online streaming service such as Netflix, through which you can watch all your favorite shows and movies of that nature. And it is available only in the US. Due to licensing issues, however, you can use it anywhere in the world with the use of a VPN. Now, to actually change your plan, you need to already be subscribed to Hulu. If you're not, while you're subscribing, you just pick the plan that you want to have. And if you're already subscribed, you need to log into your account page for this to work. You can log in through either the mobile app or web browser. And once you're logged in, you need to navigate to your subscription section. Once you're there, select manage plan and your current plan will be highlighted. There you can toggle the plan off or on if you would like. To switch to a different plan, toggle the plan you want to on, and then that is pretty much it. You will get a bigger bill or smaller bill the next time you're billed for your subscription, and that is pretty much it. You can also manage your add-ons. There will be a tick next to any add-ons you currently subscribe to. You can select plus next to the add-ons you want to add, and then toggle for the check mark to annex for any add-ons you would like to remove. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like this video, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.